Today, I'm going to be reviewing and talking about these replacement Nintendo Switch controllers. Now, I actually got these controllers 2 years ago whenever my original Nintendo Switch controllers had stick drift issues, and they have been great. I've had no issue, no stick drift, which has been the main issue, and no button lag, no nothing. All the bumpers work great, works great on every single game I've played. It's wonderful. I highly recommend these. I'm actually going to show you guys here in a second how it feels to put on the Switch and on the Pro controller. So actually really quickly, just wanted to show you guys how it is actually on the Switch itself instead of just like, off the port. No stick drift, none at all. Like I said, I've been had this for 2 years. No issues, not at all. Every button works great. I can spam multiple buttons at once and there's not going to be any issue. This has worked on nearly every single game that I've had on here, from Mario to Zelda to Pokemon. No issues, no lag, no whatsoever. They've been great. The constant use and still works great. Highly recommend it. It's wonderful. I actually want to show you guys real quick also on the Pro controller, because I know that most people actually use a Pro controller when it comes to playing the Switch. Like I said, like before, no stick drift, bumpers both work, no issue, everything works fine, no button delay, no lag, no sticky keys, no stick drift, nothing. 2 years of constant wear and tear, nothing, no issues still. Battery's fine, the Pro controller is fine, on the Switch is fine. It's great. I really, really highly recommend these.